guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So guys, this morning I'm heading out, but hubby called me on phone that I should wait for I think Mr. Dubex. What's that man's name say? Mr. Dubex flowers. So he's coming to the house to treat the whole flowers in the compound. It's all looking bushy. I'll still show you guys. So once he's done cutting off some dirty parts and some parts that are rough, I'll still wait for him to finish the whole work before going out, because I'm going to buy some few things for my kitchen. I want to put some things. I want to change some of my kitchen things. Some of the things in my kitchen are old, so I just need to change them. Let me just show you guys the flowers. Okay, so my husband told him to cut some of these things down. Like he's gonna cut the flowers because it's quite looking rough. The man is good. He has been working for us for, I think, 4 years now. Yes, 4 years. So he'll be cutting some of the flowers here. Because this flower self, you don't grow past me. So you have to cut some of the flowers down and, you know, treat it as well. I think my husband told him to plant new one. I don't know, Shabo. When he comes, I'll still show you guys. We ended up sweeping this place this morning. This one is still okay. So guys, if you're new here, my name is OC Jenny and thank you for stopping by. Also subscribe, give this video a massive thumbs up, and don't forget to comment and share. So guys, before I forget, these glasses I'm wearing is from Drawers by Jenny. This is my brand. I'm rocking my brand so well. And the polo as well is, I also sell polo. I didn't mention it here in the previous video. So I also sell unisex polo, different size. I have small size, I have extra large. So do well to patronize us. Going to thrift shop, a very big thrift shop in my area. It's not that big, but everything you need is in that shop. I think they also sell new things as well, but I'm just buying used UK kitchen things for myself. So yes.
One eternity later.
This one not the battery. No, they're not the buy gas. I don't know if they buy matches. These are as you don't want like this. If you put the battery inside, as you don't want, you only go just like this. Yes. Fire go fast. Fast you don't fit your. Yes. Oh, this one too they do that one for now. Okay, electric. Yes. Smaller size. See what we get to now.
This one is nice.
one is electric. No, I know the electric, the NEPA, not the green light. Before you go see one generator. Oh, wait a minute.
So, how much is this one, man?
This one. This one is 12,000. This one is 15,000.
Wow, this one is nice.
Yeah, see the shapes, very beautiful. We came to our thrift shop.
Yes, so, and they sell nice things.
Great here. That's head, though. I think all this is great. Yeah. They use this one, 1, 2, 3, just do your book for the first one. Just do a 1, 2, 3, just do your book for the serious. You don't watch your book. I'm not standing with you.
They tell me now,
you don't go ask. You don't ask before. I will ask.
Mommy also. You don't collect that one. Wait. This one's now 1,000. Hello. This one big. I might take this too. Give me pepper.
How much?
200. Jerry, that pepper that 200 pepper. I wrap on you. When I get beans, I do.
White yes.
I must. The last the plantain 2,000, You don't finish with the pepper. 70, 4,300. No. Come me say you calculate the money with in my bag.
Few moments later.
So guys, these are the things that I bought in that thrift shop. All these things here are for my kitchen. So I got this. How much did I buy this? I think 1.5. Yes, I bought this 1.5. Then I bought this one. This one's for egg. I bought this 2.5. Then I bought this pot. I think it's 16,000. Yeah, 16,000. And I bought this. So I should pay later, but I don't think giving 7,000. This frying pan is super strong. Like, hey, it's even heavy, safe. Very, very heavy. S Master. I just pray it will last, but I believe it will last because they sell a very, very nice things. I also got this plate rack. This 3-in-1 plate rack. I think this is 25,000 naira. Yeah, 25k. It is well. I got this mini blender, manual blender. Let me open it for you guys to see. And pepper, onions, whichever one. You can be able to grind it, see, and it's very, very sharp. Very, very necessary. I have another big blender for other things, but this particular one is when I won't be able to on Jane or when there's no light, I can be able to use this one at least blend my tomatoes and pepper. So that is the reason why I bought this particular manual blender. Very nice. Look at this. To hang things in the kitchen. Very, very nice. Like, this is so nice. To hang things in your kitchen. You can also hang your towel. You can also hang your spoons. So that's why I bought. And I love the color. Very, very nice. This is our own gas. Oh, I can't carry it, guys. Let me show you. Guys, this is the gas. 30,000. Oh, the later sold this gas 28,000. I later bought it 28,000. This is Bobo. This is used gas, like UK use. It's no new one, it's UK use, guys. So I can't be able to lift it up. That is why I've not yet opened it. Let me see if I can open it for you guys to see. Very new. Just 2 burner. I have other bigger gas. I just bought this one because the bigger one it's not really lightning well for my own taste. Guys, I think I'll end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. This is 4,500. Yeah, 4,500. I didn't mention it earlier. This is 4,500. So guys, I will see you all in my next video.